Hey guys, it's Kavetta. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are on the hunt for some real Mexican food. We are hungry, we're exploring, and we're ready to get our taste buds wet. So here I was telling you about this awesome little place that I had found. Tons of reviews, tons of recommendations. We got there, and because of COVID, the restaurant is now closing at 4 instead of midnight. And we got there right at about 4:10. We could have had the juices and certain things, but we wanted to eat because the boys were hungry. You know we're always hungry. So we decided to go right across the street to this quaint little place that we saw. It is a market and a restaurant in one. So we wanted to see what that was about. Since we are trying to check out local places, more authentic restaurants, try more authentic Mexican food, stay out of the tourist traps. So come on over and come check it out with us, see what we found. I think it's a gem. The best part about this place, it is right in Centro where we are, and maybe a 5 or 6 minute walk from our apartment. So when we got to the restaurant that we were actually heading to, we found out that the kitchen is closed at 4 o'clock. They could have made us the juice that we really wanted, but since we were hungry, we wanted to get some food. Looked across the street and saw this place. Everything is fresh and so awesome, you guys. This is where you would come for fresh, organic produce, just about everything you need. I didn't walk the entire store, but everything in here super fresh, mostly organic, and this is what they use in the restaurant. So when they're blending up all the fruit juices or making the sauces from the jalapenos or whatever other fresh fruits and vegetables they use, this is where they get it from. How cool is this? So the restaurant we ended up at, La Ceiba de la 30. Just look at their menu. If you can see it with me going a little bit fast. I did try to slow down. But just look at all of this, you guys. So good. Everything. I wanted to try it all. But of course I couldn't. Everything is freshly made right when you order it. So you know you're getting fresh, authentic Mexican food.
This is my message to you. I know I can't sing, you guys.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me, and we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us.
It is really good. This is so good, you guys. Oh, my mask, I look crazy. But this is so good. I forgot what I got. I did take a picture, I think, of the menu, but it is the no. Talia got the Dora got the Cobra, and I got the Puma, because it's like PUU and dash MAH. And then it is papaya, guava, pineapple, it's a whole bunch of stuff. I'll try to see if I can get the menu again to go over it. But it is so good, and it's all just fresh fruits. Like I've been showing you the restaurant here with everything completely fresh, and most of their items are organic. So it's just fresh fruits, they just blend and just give it to you. So good. How is the salmon wrap? Hello. How's the wrap, Joel?
Amazing.
It's amazing. So you heard from them, you guys. So it's good. Let me jump into mine.
The performance was stupendous.
Oh my god, you guys. This is so good. This is the best real Mexican food I've had since we've been here. Like, yeah, my napkin. You know, like seriously, this sauce is everything. This chicken is everything. Everything is everything. Oh my goodness, you guys. Let me take off my mask real quick because I have to talk about this food. It was so good, let me tell you. The best Mexican food I've had since I've been here, and the kids are ready to come back. And it was so much food. I am so full. Like, I didn't want to take a to-go plate. So I stuffed myself and now I'm dying. I could hardly get up from my chair. It was that good. And my food, the enchilada that you saw, that was 132 pesos. That's like $7. That's crazy. The kids salmon wrap was 118 pesos, so that's like $6 US. That's I know I'm saying that's crazy a lot because it is crazy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was good food. We enjoyed that. So we have to find out. See? Oh, this is a L something. Oh, it's a different place. Oh, El Pagan. Oh, wait. Where are we?
Maybe that's the same alphabet.
Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. See, we're at El Pagan. That's like one of the best taco places. We need. He said, no, he says no, it's not. It is. Like if you read any reviews, I think he just wasn't into. What were you like about it? The tortillas. He said the tortillas made it so you couldn't taste the steak. So I don't know. But everybody else loves it. I liked it. And then of course our favorite place, Don Sirloin. That's his favorite place. So yeah. But anyway, we have to find some more of these local places, you guys. It is so good. He said this is the best taco place. Oh my goodness. And to think that place is just a couple minutes walk. It didn't even take us 6 minutes, maybe 5, 4. And now we're just walking slowly because we're so full. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we are gonna go get some agua because the building haven't gotten their delivery, or I don't know if they did yet since we aren't there, but they haven't gotten the delivery for water. So we have been dying of thirst all day. So we're just gonna pick up some small bottles until we can get the Gala funds. So I'm telling you, like, people will just stop and talk to you like out of the blue more than when we were in the States. Because when I was filming and talking, like, we walked a decent little step. We passed this lady and, you know, we said hi, did our, you know, black people acknowledgement, and she, you know, walked by. And then we stopped at the crossing to get across, and she just came up and she said, "I'm sorry, I heard you saying something about water. Do you need any help?" And I'm like, "Oh yeah, we're just saying we're looking for water, just, you know, something for now, because I don't want to lug like big bottles from Mega or anything." And then she's like, "Oh cool, if you go right here," and it was like, "Oh sorry, 2 seconds. There was an OXO or something. You can just grab the little bottles there and it will tide you over." And I'm like, you know, and I just passed another girl and we're like, "Hey, how are you?" I don't know her. But it's just different here. Like, everybody's so friendly.
We did end up getting some water. The Garafons are still not at the apartment, so we're just gonna have to grab a couple smaller bottles until they get them. But that is okay. That is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're in Playa del Carmen, definitely check this place out. It is to die for. See you in the next video. Bye.